So just about ready to leave for work, and my key fob finally decided to die. So now I have to take the keys out of the key fob and manually unlock and lock the door, which is kind of annoying. So here's the key inside of the key fob, and well, gotta get some batteries and actually finally replace the batteries now in the key fob. Damn guys, check out how bad this fog is. Can barely even see that far ahead. It's crazy, dude. Ooh, and those oncoming traffic makes it even worse. Dang. Whoa. Alright guys, before I get this video started, don't forget to hit the... Alright guys, before I get this video started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and to help support my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. The name will be on the screen somewhere. Thanks guys. Alright, just went to go pick up a set of batteries, part number 2032. Let me get these open real quick. Okay, so I got one taken out. Let me grab my keys real quick. Okay, so I believe this works for all B8 models, Audis, so A5, S5, even Q5 and SQ5s, A4 and S4. So this is how you replace the batteries or the battery on the key fob. So first thing you do is remove the key out of the key fob. So you just press this middle button here, that out, and then after that flip it over. There's another little plastic button here that you press to pull off this piece that holds the battery. So press this and there you go, slowly pull it out, and there's the battery. Let's get this replaced. Just remember which way you took it out, so back side up. And then just slide it back in. Should click and lock in. Let's see if it powers on. Okay, I think you might have already heard it, but the car actually armed. Let's step out and see if it works again. It looks like I didn't really even need to let it relearn or program the key to the car again. So let's step out real quick and check. All right, so let's go and check. Unlock. Good to go. And lock. Oh, let's double check the trunk. Yep. So there it is, guys. Didn't need to reprogram or have the remote or the key fob relearn the car. So that's how you replace the batteries on the key fob for B8 S4, and also should work for other models like the Q5, the A5, the S5, and the SQ5 like I stated earlier. So let me show you again the battery that you need. Here it says part number 2032. So that's what you need to replace the batteries on your key fob. You can either purchase it in whatever stores, Walmart, Target, or you can just purchase it through the link down below. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you find it helpful. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.